Those tickets were sold in Fort Lee, Englewood, Bayonne, Kearney, and Jersey City. News time 4:49. New York City homeowners hit hard by Superstorm Sandy are getting some tax relief. Mayor Bloomberg says residential property damaged beyond repair will qualify for an interest-free extension on the next property tax bill. It will postpone payments due on January 1st to April 1st. That's some good news. Many Staten Islanders are still struggling.
A month after Hurricane Sandy battled the city, victims like Malika Goli sit in this restoration center still looking for help.
We got about 2 feet of water in my basement. I lost about, I'd say close to $20,000 worth of furnishings and everything downstairs. And I'm just looking for, see if they can give me a little hand, give me a little low interest loan.
His kids got scared as 5 feet of water came cascading down the block, but he says no one was hurt.
Thank God everything else can get replaced. Human life was a thing. And it was so nice to see the community come together and help each other.
Stan Brooks, 1010 wins at the Restoration Center on Staten Island.
Wins news time 4:50. More gas station operators have been accused of price gouging in the aftermath of Sandy. New York Attorney General Eric Schneiderman has filed charges against 12 more stations in New York City, Long Island, and Westchester. The total 25 now. Schneiderman's office says in one case, the driver in the Bronx was told she could charge $10 a gallon. A New York caviar distributor who evaded arrest for nearly a quarter century has pleaded guilty to unlawfully importing more than 100,000 pounds of Russian and Iranian caviar. Isidoro Mario Garbarino admitted importing caviar worth more than $10 million between 1984 and 1987. Prosecutors say he cheated the federal government out of millions in tax revenue and failed to deliver that caviar to clients. Latest news time 4:51. On the board traffic and trends and on the one. Here's Matt Ward.
Well, it's still quite a mess trying to get to the outbound George Washington upper level of the apartments area. That's where there was an accident. It's been moved out of the way, but it did quite a bit of damage. The crosswalk west is very slow from the Bruckner all the way back to the Deagon Bridge. The Deagon delays now extend almost as far back as the Scarborough Bridge. The traffic on the Harlem River Drive slow out of the 130s. West Side Highway is still just pockets of traffic. 90s heading up to the 150s. Loaded up on the FJ Drive coming downtown out of the 130s back into the 60s. A terrible ride coming from lower Manhattan on the FJ Drive from around the Brooklyn Bridge all the way back up towards around 61st Street, where there's been a stalled car in the process of being cleared. Loaded up to Queens on the LA and the Grand Central Parkway. It's worse on the Long Island Expressway, and the traffic on Long Island Sunrise Highway westbound coming into Hexville Road. There's still an accident. 2 lanes remain blocked off for the time being. A lot of eastbound traffic on both Sunrise Highway and the Southern State as well. Here's what you need to know about the bridges and tunnels. In addition to the slow traffic into the outbound Cheadle Bridge, if you're coming into the city, into the tolls, it looks like no waiting at all. Lincoln Tunnel 30 minutes into town, 5 minutes on the outbound side. Holland Tunnel 30 minutes leaving town, 15 minutes coming in.